Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy, John X. It's been a while here. So, without wasting too much of our time, I'll quickly show you how you can create your sticker by yourself. I mean, WhatsApp sticker. How you can create it and how you can export it to your WhatsApp. Without wasting too much of our time, let's get started. So, you have to click on this app, or you have to get this app first. Go to your Google Play Store and download Sticker Maker, this green one. Just tap on it. Let's wait for it to load. So since you have not created any sticker on it before, you have to click on this create a new sticker. Let me just click on it, create a new sticker pack. You have to name this sticker pack. You have to give it a name. Let's just say Jones Protect. Then auto, sorry, Jones Protect. Let me just say Jones Protect. Then let's say Jones. Then just click on this create. Okay, then tap on it. The Jones, tap on it. Then you have access to create like 30 stickers at a go. 30 sticker at a go. So let's firstly create a tray icon. So this is the general icon that will be showing if anyone wants to save if anyone wants to save the sticker, or you yourself want to send the sticker to anyone, to be showing this tray icon. So just tap on this tray icon. Then let's say the picture is in my gallery. Let me open the gallery and select any picture. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait. Let me just search. Let me search gallery. Sorry, coming, coming, I'm coming. Okay, let me just choose this one as my tray. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Then let me just say select all. This select all here. This place select all. Then tap on it. So save sticker and you are done. So the next thing for you now is to be adding. Let's firstly add the first two three sticker so that we can save it. So click on this, our first one. Click on this open gallery. So when you click on the open gallery, you have to locate the image. You have to um select the image you want to use. So just look for the image. Again, check your gallery, look for any image you want to use. Let me just search one. Let me just search this one. Then let me add text. Let's say I want to add a text to it. Let's say I want to add a text to it. I firstly click on select all. When I click on the select all, wait for it. Then this add text up. You see add text here. This place. This place. So just click on that add text. When you click on that, let me just add stop playing. Stop playing. As an example, click on this mark icon and let's say I place it here. Let's say I place it here. Let me expand it like this. Okay. Now let me say click on save sticker. That's first one. Let me look for another one again. ASAP without wasting too much of our time. Let me click on gallery again. Select any picture you want to select. Select the picture. Let me just see. Let me just select this one. Then if you want to add any name, and if you don't want, just click on this select all. Select all. If you want to add any text or you want to outline it, but without wasting too much time, click on save sticker again. That's the second one. Let me click on the third one as an example again. Click on gallery, image. Let me wait for it to load. Click on album. Let me get my picture. Sorry. Let me click on element again and let me just look for one. Okay. Let me just add this one and say Let me just say select all and let me type it's not for children. Let me just say is not for children. Yeah, you want to change the color, this is it. You can change any color, you can change it, just keep on tapping at this above color and you are done. Okay, let me just place it here. Let me just say okay. So the next thing, save your sticker. Now I want to add it to my WhatsApp. So I will just click on this add to WhatsApp icon over here. This place. Sorry. This add to WhatsApp here. This place. Click on add to WhatsApp. Let's wait for it to load. Please, if you are new to this my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell notification icon so that you will be receiving notification wherever I posted any video. So sorry for that. After the ads, it will show you ads. So now let's click on the WhatsApp I want it to be showing because I'm using like 4 WhatsApp because I've cloned it. Let me just click on this normal WhatsApp and let me click on the clone one. So you say would you like to add Jonex to WhatsApp? Just click on this add. So Jonex has been added to WhatsApp. Now let's check. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Let me just say message. Let's say I want to message myself to confirm. So let me just click on this message. Then let me click on this sticker. Then let me click on this sticker now. As you can see, this sticker has been added successfully. You see, this is Jonex. This is all my sticker I've created. You can send it, bam, and that's it. You are done. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell notification button. Thank you. See you in the next video.